place?
Yes, his house.
Here?
Yes.
Hey, one mother. Somebody has more. Hey! Oh!
Who is doing this? Who is this madness?
He's the one.
He's the one.
Yeah.
Me. Hey.
Cynthia.
I told you I've not seen anything.
Me.
2 million or nothing.
So, Cynthia, you stole my 1.2 million naira, and you have the effrontery to bring this lunatic to my house.
I told you. I told you I would do it to you. I told you.
Hey!
Oishi. If you be Wahala.
Who are you, by the way? Can you really give me?
Mbagi meba, my
Wait, you know this is my house.
Your house.
Shh. Stop.
The 2 million or nothing.
Which 2 million?
The
Cynthia.
2 million. I told you. You provide that 2 million.
Cynthia, but you stole my 1.2 million naira, and now you're blackmailing
And
me.
then...
Hey. I go shout to.
Don't shout.
I don't do it.
Don't shout.
No.
Come. This is my family house.
Your wife there?
I will bring it.
Is your wife around?
Yes. Hi. I will settle you. Come. Cynthia, come.
Come. Make transfer.
He says 1.2 million.
No.
2 million.
Extra.
Cynthia, this thing way that you are doing is not good though.
Make 2.1.
Cynthia, this thing you are doing.
2.1. Make a POS. No.
Why now? Take it easy.
In fact,
What is your account?
Make 2.2.
63.
63.
09.
Which bank?
Fidelity.
Hey! And you are infidelity. Come here with this guy.
Are you doing the thing or not?
Madam!
Hey, shut up now. Why are you like this? I'm sending the money.
How much?
I done 2.1. Didn't you say 2.1? Hey, please go. Go. The good man you
Think you're wise.
the good expect to talk no boda. My sales girl stole my 1.2 million naira, and she's now blackmailing me. Nah, people, you have to be careful with all these girls. Some of them is small girl again. No.